Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video I'm going to compare two websites that should help you get along with the coding or test your skills. First one is Codewars and the second one is CodinGame. So let's start straight away with Codewars. Codewars is a website that helps you really teach you how to test your skills in coding by just competing or completing your test at this website, codewars.com. You are meant to solve katas, which are basically the tests, and you will level up by completing them. Those kata exercises are made by other users, so you can choose between easy tasks or medium katas or very hard katas to get along with the tests. You can get instant feedback and also level up, which is basically like getting a rank in Japanese army during the days. So you start at 8 and then you can basically get a rank 1. Let's say it's a rank 1 or rank 2, rank 3. Tap into collective wisdom so you can really compare your solutions with others after each kata. Get kata for greater understanding. Stuff like that. As you can see, some feedbacks on Codewars. So if you want to enter this Codewars world, you can just sign up. But first you have to prove your skills. This is very easy one. Basically what you have to do is basically finish this one. No. Oh, this is somehow weird. Oh yeah, like this. So once you pass the test, you can enter your email, username or password, or just sign up as I did before. So it's very easy. You are playing a game, and by that you are leveling. Very nice way to basically learn how to do it. Now you can just set your next challenge. If it's Java or something else, I chose Java at the start, and then rank up. You want to choose if you want to rank up, you want to learn the fundamentals, practice and repeat. There's some beta option, or you just shuffle a random tasks. And as you can see, I have just 2 honor position, one with 8Q, so I'm not really high. It's just a basic. But you have feedback of other people. There are questions, issues, suggestions, stuff like that. Also, very nice way of honor here. When we go and want to check the coding game is basically the same stuff. You are proving yourself against UI that you know how to code, and you are basically building your own world. But you also start with some task that will basically raise you to this point where you're just watching the video of what you did, and you just have to copy paste this link, then play a test case, and then submit, for example, if you want to. It's kind of cartoon-like, but you can see the console outputs. That's kind of nice. I mean, it's not that advanced, but you can go with the hints. There are forums that you can check. Also see the results if you already got some. You can apply for a job here, for example, according to your skills and what you prove to be worthy or not. At the moment you see the score, but there's none available. Also settings. So I mean, I really like the Codewars better because of the greater scale of, let's say, players. But for all, both of these programs won't help you to get through the interview. It's just about how you want to test yourself. Also, yeah, you can like apply for a job, so to speak, on CodinGame, but it won't help you to the interview or anything. You can get more confident, but you won't get the interviewing skills by playing these games. For example, you still have to charm the guy that is hiring you. It doesn't have to be like you're a good or something. So in my opinion, both of them are very nice for what they're doing. I would go with the Codewars. I like that badass look of it, but it's completely up to you guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video, and see you on another one. Goodbye.